Summer 2014. It's a hot one, but with 11,000 lakes around us, some of those the world's largest, you're not far from the cool winds and brisk waters along sandy beaches. Perfect to refresh your spirit. If you get too hot, close your eyes a moment and reminisce about those frigid cold winters sure to come. That should get you up and about to enjoy our fabulous summers. Today on the show, we attend an annual event that gets the whole family into the sunshine. It's the West Branch Old Engine Show. There's plenty of rural history here, from food to tractors. It's a growing event. Also on the show today, we start awarding our Sweepstakes winners in our 25th anniversary summer vacation Sweepstakes getaway giveaways. Stay tuned. That and more is coming up on this week's edition of Michigan Magazine.